This audio session is for recreational purposes only. Please use this in a time that you will not be disturbed in the privacy of your own home. Please do not use this when operating a motor vehicle or any kind of equipment. Thank you, sit back, and please enjoy. This will be a journey of both exploration and adventure. In this journey, we will seek your spirit animal guide. And what I will ask for you and ask from you in this journey is simple. Don't force things, just let things happen. All you need to do today is listen to my voice, sit back, relax, and let this happen. Right now, just close your eyes and forget about everything. Forget about the worries of the day. Forget about the stress of your job. Forget about your school, your studies. Forget about cleaning the house. Don't worry about dinner. All you really need to do now is sit back, relax, and close your eyes. And make yourself really, really comfy. That's all you need to do. Make sure your eyes are closed, sit back, and be really, really comfy. And as you do this, just breathe in, breathe out, and let yourself relax. Again, just breathe in, breathe out, and be relaxed. One more time, breathe in. And when you breathe in, feel this nice, comforting air. And breathe out. And when you breathe out, just feel your stomach relaxing. Feel that limpness in your stomach. Feel that ease. Just breathe in, breathe out, and relax. And let your stomach go loose. Let your stomach relax. This is your time. This is for you. Don't worry about anything. Just continue to breathe in, breathe out, and relax. And as you do this, and the worries of the day are gone, the stress of the day is gone, just feel at ease. Just feel relaxed. This is your time. Let your body go relaxed. Let your body go a little limp. Breathe in, breathe out, and relax. And enjoy this time. This is your time. Let your jaw drop. Feel your stomach relaxed. And continue to breathe in and breathe out. And as you do this, just imagine the relaxation. Imagine the relaxation starting in the top of your head. Just feel that comfort and let it go down from your head and to your eyes. And from your eyes, just let this relaxation flow down your nose, to your cheeks, and from your cheeks to your jawbone, around to the back of your head, down the back of your neck and your shoulders. People carry way too much stress in their back and shoulders and their neck. So just let all that go loose. Let all that go limp. Feel relaxed. And from your shoulders, let this relaxation flow down your arms, to your elbows, to the tips of your fingers. Just feel that. Feel the relaxation. And from the tips of your fingers, let this relaxation flow back up to your shoulders once again, around your back, around your chest, through your stomach, down to your hips, through your legs, the back of your legs, to the bottom of your feet, and your toes. Just let all your body feel relaxed. Let your body feel at ease. Breathe in and breathe out. Enjoy this time, your time. There are no worries. There is no stress. This is your time. And as you enjoy this time, I will count back from 10 to 1. As I count back, let yourself become more and more relaxed. Don't force it, just let this happen. 10, and more relaxed. And 9, and more relaxed. And 8, and 7, and more relaxed. And 6, and 5, and more relaxed. And 4, and 3, and more relaxed. And 2, and 1. Feel the peace. Feel the relaxation. There is no stress on your body. There is no pressure on your body. You are completely at ease. You are completely relaxed. This is almost as though you are an astronaut in zero gravity. In zero gravity, there is no stress, no pressure on you. You are totally relaxed. Enjoy this time. Enjoy this moment. This is for you. And as you enjoy this almost zero gravity and this total relaxation and peace, imagine in front of you there is a door. This door is for an elevator. You press the button and you step inside the elevator. And as you step inside the elevator, this elevator can look however you want it to. You can decide the size. You can decide the interior. This is your time, your journey. You can decide. And as you step in, the doors to the elevator close, and the elevator starts going down. And again, I will count back from 10 to 1. As I do, you will feel yourself going down deeper and deeper, more relaxed, and more at ease. 10, and deeper, and 9, and deeper still, and 8, and 7, and deeper, and 6, and going deeper and deeper still, and 5, and 4, and deeper, and 3, and 2, and 1. Feel the relaxation. The elevator is stopped. You are now at the bottom. And as the elevator stops, and you feel such relaxation, such comfort, and such confidence, the door to the elevator opens, and you step out of the elevator. And as you step out of the elevator, you find yourself being surrounded by a warm light. This is a very warm and comfortable light. It completely surrounds you, and you know this light is there to protect you. You feel yourself absorbing this light. You feel its warmth. You feel its power. You feel its comfort. And you know this light is bringing you closer to nature, and closer to the world, and closer to all the understandings you seek. This light contains power. This light contains protection. This light contains wisdom. And you slowly let yourself absorb it. Slowly and slowly and more and more. And as your body absorbs this light, you look around and you now see yourself. You see yourself standing in a field. The sun is starting to set. It is getting a little dark. This field is beautiful. There is nobody around you. The sun is setting. It is a warm, sunny day. There are no clouds. Off in the distance you can see a few trees, but this is a very quiet, warm place, a peaceful place. This is for you. This field with the trees in the distance brings you closer to nature. You feel the comfort. You feel the warmth. You feel the welcoming, and you feel the certainty of this place. And as you look around, you see in front of yourself a path. You decide to follow this path and see where it leads. This path is somehow welcoming of you. You know this path is here for you, to take you to what you seek. So as you start walking down this path, in this beautiful place, all you can hear are the sounds of nature, maybe some birds and insects. And off in the distance you can hear the wind rustling through the leaves as you approach these trees. And as you approach these trees, you notice next to you, next to the path, a small stream running. This stream runs next to the path, and you continue on your way following it. You enjoy the beauty, you enjoy the warmth. You feel welcomed here, you know this place is for you. You know this place exists for you. You are now in a place of nature. And as you continue to walk down this path, you feel more and more welcomed by nature. You feel more and more sure of this place, more and more welcome. You realize that that light you absorbed earlier was also helping you absorb some understanding of nature, some understanding of spirituality, something that has been lost in our modern society, something ancient tribes and ancient people understood very well. But today we have very little understanding of it. You have absorbed it, and as we continue down this path, your understanding and bonding with nature and spirituality continues. So you continue down this path, and off in the distance you can hear the sound of the ocean. It is almost dark, and the path continues down into some trees. And as you approach these trees, you can see an opening. Past this opening, you can see the beach and the ocean. You now walk out off the path through this opening, and you stand on the beach. And as you stand on the beach, you look out into the ocean, and you feel the power, you feel the greatness of the ocean. You feel the breeze of the ocean. You can smell the ocean water. You look out into the ocean. You feel its power. You feel the power of nature. You feel the greatness of the ocean. Stand there for a moment and take in this power of the ocean. Take in its greatness. Take it in. Enjoy this. As you enjoy the power of the ocean, it has now gone dark, and in the sky you can see so many stars. You have never seen the sky so clear as it is tonight. Thousands upon thousands of stars you see. The beauty of the sky, the beauty and the power of the ocean, and the beauty and the power of nature are all yours. You understand nature. You understand its power and beauty. You have earned a new respect for the power of nature. And as you look over to your right, you notice just off in the distance a campfire. This campfire is on the beach, and you know this campfire was made for you. So you start to walk along the beach next to the ocean and approach this campfire. As you walk, you know that soon you will meet your spirit animal guide. At this campfire, this is the place where you'll be joined together and you will meet. So with certainty, happiness, confidence, complete understanding of nature and its power and importance, you walk towards the campfire. And as you continue walking along the beach, feeling the breeze of the ocean, and hearing the rustling of leaves on the other side, along with the sounds of nature such as the crickets chirping and other insects, you understand the power you are going to learn from nature, the greatness you will learn from your spirit animal guide. You continue and you approach this fire, this campfire. And as you reach this campfire, you sit down and you look into this campfire. As you look into this campfire, you feel its warmth, its power, and its comfort. And as you look into this campfire, You understand that your spirit animal guide will soon be here. At this point, you ask for the guidance and the wisdom you need from your spirit animal guide. You ask your spirit animal guide before the approach to help you, to be there for you. You say this into the fire. This fire is part of nature. This fire represents the power of nature. You speak into this fire, you make your wishes. The fire will absorb them into nature. Give yourself a moment. Be thankful. Ask your spirit guide to approach. And make your wishes into the campfire. Now, as you sit by the campfire, and you know your spirit guide, your animal spirit guide, is behind you and awaits you, there are several things you must understand, and you must accept. First, your spirit animal guide may come in any form of an animal it wishes to. You cannot expect a certain animal to turn around and see it. Your spirit animal guide is in the form it needs to be in. And whatever that form may be, your spirit animal guide is there for you. The form does not matter. You will accept it whatever it may be. This is your guide, your friend. Whatever the form, your spirit animal guide is there for you. Secondly, you must accept why your guide is here. Your guide may be in the form of a messenger. This is usually to help you with a specific situation and give you warnings. Your guide may be your journey spirit guide. This spirit appears when you have a decision to make. You may be at a fork or a crossroad. You have to decide a path. Your animal spirit guide will be there to help you. Your guide may also be a life spirit guide. This is a guide that will stay with you for life. One who will guide you and always be there for you. And finally, this may be a shadow spirit guide. This is a guide who tests you. At first, this guide may put fear into you. But this guide will represent your inner feelings, and it will teach you how to make positive changes. So whatever your spirit guide form is, whatever their purpose is, you must fully accept this. But also remember that your guide is here for you. But not just in this session. If you ask your spirit guide to do so, your spirit guide will return in dreams and continue to help you. So with confidence, certainty, and a warm, happy, positive feeling, you turn around, you turn away from the campfire, and you look, and there in front of you is your animal spirit guide. You have now met your spirit animal guide. Look into the eyes of your spirit animal guide and feel the bond you have. Take a moment, let your bond grow. Understand the power your animal spirit guide has with nature and respect that. Understand the power of nature and respect that. Your spirit animal guide is here for you. Your spirit animal guide respects you, and you respect your spirit animal guide. You respect the power your guide has with nature. You respect the power your spirit animal guide has with you, their guidance, their love, and their friendship they offer you. Feel free to ask questions to your spirit animal guide, but also respect as to why they are here, the purpose they serve, and do not always expect direct answers. The answers you seek may come in future dreams, or may be symbolic. You must respect the answers in the form that they come. And you can also ask your spirit animal guide to return to you in dreams for further guidance, further help, and further assistance. I will leave you now. I will leave you with your guide to bond. Awaken from this when you wish. This is your time. But bond with your guide. Get to know your guide. Get to know this friend and learn from their wisdom. Again, awaken from this session when you want. This is your time. But right now, be with your animal spirit guide. Learn from them and respect them. But spend some time with them now. Your guide is here for you. Their abilities with nature they will share with you. Their experiences with nature they will share with you. All you need is to ask. Enjoy your session. Again, awaken from this when you want. I bid you good day.